channel in 1 month. Let's go. So I am doing a big giveaway in Raw Golden because of the month. Because I'm being month for YouTube. So in year I'm going to do the biggest giveaway. Like I'm working out all my money. But now I'm giving you 10 quintillion, okay? But in year, when they do a year, I am giving you 100 quintillion. I'm really good, bro. I'm really good. Okay, so because in the new month, I will improve my YouTube, and I'm giving away some pets and money. Check it. Of course, not this jumbo. Please. I'm sorry, I will never give it to you. Sorry, but I'm giving you. I don't know. Let's wait and let's wait. Open it, and if I get something good, I'll give it to you, bro. Okay, X. I feel like, fuck. 1, 2, 3, on 3. Okay, so let's go with login. And now, get ready for your reward and get ready for new videos and improvement. See ya!